today we're gonna try out painless waxing. Painless waxing.
We're going to help each other wax each other, and we're gonna see if this is really painless.
I'm really excited to scar you emotionally as well as physically. We are not professional waxers, but this product is advertised for everyday people to use at home. So if they can do it, I think we can do it.
Hopefully.
So I've never gotten waxed before, ever, and I get kind of scared. I always thought it would be really painful.
I've gotten my legs waxed before when I was younger, just because like I wanted to have smooth legs, so my mom did it for me.
Yeah, I'm just not a fan of having hair ripped out of my body.
Shaving always irritates my skin. It always gives me ingrown hairs, bumps all over my legs, and they're actually really painful. I've been trying to switch to a wax, so hopefully if this works out, my skin will feel better after removing hair.
It's like very thick and thick.
Ooh, it's really pretty.
Okay.
It's turning into curdled butter right now.
This is fun to play with, though.
Kevin, you're making me more nervous than I need to be right now. Did I go so far in my nose?
I've been growing my hair all week for this.
We're gonna go in this general area.
Are you ready?
No.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this one's gonna suck.
It feels good.
I'm gonna pull it that way.
I know, Shirley, just do it. Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! What's living in my nose?
Okay, 3.
Did anything come off?
Barely.
I thought it was really painless.
Yeah, I hyped it up a lot more in my mind.
I do think it's painless. I think it wasn't lying when it describes itself as painless waxing.
And when it was done and hair actually came off, when it was spread thinner, that kind of hurt like a little bit, but just like a little bit.
I feel like you didn't take your short leg hairs out.
No, I feel like if you have thin hair, even if it is kind of long, it just doesn't really like rip it out.
I definitely wouldn't say this is one of the better waxing experiences I've had, because my other waxing experiences have been in salons done by trained professionals.
I don't think it was all that effective.
If my friends were to make a night of this, I would be comfortable with these beads. They seem to work really well.
I think I might actually start using these for real because it didn't hurt. I thought that it was an easy process, and it's way more comfortable to me than shaving.
It's probably a lot more cost effective than going to a salon, so.
Yeah, just do it yourself, but don't it up.